Welcome to Vilnius University. Vilnius University is one of the top universities in the Baltic region. We can offer you some of the best business management, marketing, accounting, and economic programs. Why choose Lithuania? Lithuania is a small Baltic country with a lot to offer. Besides its rich history and beautiful green nature, Lithuania has a promising economy and excellent living standards. Thanks to its EU membership and fast development, it has become a popular destination for young professionals, entrepreneurs, and families. Lithuania today is open to innovation and has increasingly digitalized society and has a stamp of approval from hundreds of leading global companies. But underneath these ratings and rankings lies the most important element. Our people are talented and well-educated and excellent at English. Our university is located in Lithuania's capital, Vilnius. I would like to assure you that Vilnius is amazing, wherever you think it is. This is the official slogan of our tourism center, so it's certainly true. Here's a little sneak peek before you come here. Vilnius is the greenest city in Europe. 61% of Vilnius is covered in green, according to the Huxley Report 2023. This year, 2023, Vilnius is celebrating its 700th anniversary. Vilnius is known for its rich history and charming old town. It is indeed building a reputation as a great destination with dynamic arts and culture scenes, seemingly endless culinary delights, and all kinds of events. Vilnius University is the #1 university in Lithuania. Vilnius University is one of the oldest universities in Central and Eastern Europe. It was established in 1579. As you see, a lot of years of experience has resulted in an amazing quality of studies. Vilnius University is ranked among the top 400 best universities worldwide. The number of academic staffs here at Vilnius University is more than 3,348 as of October 2022. And the number of students at Vilnius University were more than 23,517 as of October 2022. There are 15 plus faculties which offers more than hundreds of study programs at Vilnius University. There are about 2,500 international students from 74 different countries studying here at Vilnius University. Vilnius University's diploma is a European Union diploma and it is recognized all over the world. Let me introduce you to our Faculty of Economics and Business Administration, FEBA. Faculty of Economics and Business Administration, FEBA, is a leader in training professionals in economic, finance, business, marketing, accounting, and human resource management. FEBA is an open faculty and a recognized partner of international academic community which cooperates with businesses and international organizations. The average employability of bachelor's study program in FEBA faculty is more than 75%. We are proud of its large alumni community, which includes the President of Republic of Lithuania, Mr. Gitanas Nausėda, the Prime Minister of Republic of Lithuania, Ingrida Šimonytė, the Governor of the Bank of Lithuania, Mr. Gediminas Šimkus, and many other well-known Lithuanian public figures working in private and public sectors, international organizations, or running their own businesses. Meet our VU student representation. This organization makes every day at FEBA faculty more interesting, more meaningful, and gives every student the opportunity for self-expression. What does the students' representation do? They organize various events and have many other activities and functions, such as representing students, defending student rights. VUSR is involved in discussion and adoption of issues relevant to students and advises on any issues that arise. They care for the social well-being in the faculty, ensures a comfortable study and leisure environment for students, organizes various purposeful events for the students such as faculty days, days of Mercury, Halloween parties, Christmas parties, quiz evenings, freshman camps, and a lot more. They also share valuable information about VU-related topics. Now let's move on to the studies offered at FEBA faculty. We are offering you 4 bachelor study programs in English, which is Accounting and Audit, Global Marketing, Management, and Quantitative Economics. Accounting and Audit. It is a 4-year study program which focuses on financial accounting, management accounting, auditing, taxation, financial analysis, and their synergies. It also focuses on subjects which helps to develop different competencies in management, economics, finance, and business sector. The program prepares specialists who are in demand today in both businesses and public sector. Upon completion of the studies, all the competencies required for an accountant and auditor are acquired, so one can easily begin working without additional specific training. Most of our students get paid internship during their studies and often stay on to working in the companies after they finish the studies. Good feedback from employers on our alumni is making our students more attractive to employers compared to graduates from other universities. This program, Accounting and Audit, is supported by the Big Four such as PwC and EY. Global Marketing. It is a 3.5-year study program which focuses on both traditional marketing activities like product management, pricing, advertising, sales, promotion, distribution, and digital marketing. It is a creative study program with a lot of teamwork and project-based tasks. You will have frequent guest lectures from leading industry professionals as well as a number of practitioners who are accomplished in their fields. Students are given the opportunity to participate in national and international competition with the help of lecturers and are encouraged to put the knowledge they have acquired at the university into practice. Let's talk about the management program. It is the most popular study program at Vilnius University. Here you will learn in 4 years how to solve business challenges, manage business systems using a variety of methods and cases, and also you will learn how to assess the performance and environment of companies and organizations. A program that builds your managerial skills, where you will learn how to create and run a business as well as to successfully work in a huge variety of managerial positions at business organizations. The students starting their studies from 2022 will have a unique opportunity to pursue a double degree diploma. According to the cooperation agreement signed between Vilnius University, Bachelor of Management program, and the University of Granada in Spain, students will have the opportunity to study at the University of Granada in the 5th and 6th semester, and thus upon graduation they will obtain diplomas of 2 universities, which would be Bachelor's of Business Management at Vilnius University and Bachelor's of Business at the University of Granada. You are given this amazing opportunity to study abroad and gain more knowledge that will be useful for building or running a business and successfully working at business organization. By studying management and business subjects, you will develop an excellent knowledge base for becoming a successful entrepreneur or any field manager at business organizations. In parallel, you will have the opportunity to develop your own startup business in the VU Tech Hub Pre-Accelerator. Quantitative Economics. It is the brand new 3-year study program which was created by the Bank of Lithuania researchers trained at the world's best universities to transform their skills and knowledge about economics into education. The Quantitative Economic program strives to use effective methods and resources to instill deep understanding of economics and drive for learning. Small cohorts allow teachers to use more interactive teaching methods such as discussions, data collection activities, projects, presentations, etc. Besides this, to provide individual guidance on academic matters, every student is assigned to a tutor, a professor who teaches at the program and follows the student's progress throughout the program. Now let's talk about individual studies. From this year, 2023, students enrolled at VU FEBA faculty study programs will have the opportunity to choose individual study programs which will be integrated into each bachelor study program. By that I mean the students can choose any program offered at any of the faculties of Vilnius University and incorporate the credits in their FEBA bachelor study program. Now let's talk about the finances. The bachelor's annual tuition fee is 3,060 euros as of 2023. The tuition fee might reduce from 30% to even 100% in certain cases, such as for students actively engaged in scientific research at the university, for students actively engaged in cultural activities at the university, and for students actively engaged in sports representing the university. A little more insights about the scholarships. The best students are awarded scholarships and some of them are as high as 1,000 euros. You can read more about the scholarships at our faculty website. Here in this slide, you can see the prices of the products and services offered in Vilnius, especially for the students. For our students, we suggest the dormitories at a reasonable price. The total number of places that we offer is around 6,000. Depending on the room size and condition, the prices vary from as less as 44 euros to 174 euros per month. This is way cheaper than renting a private apartment. Just to compare, the price of a 1 BHK private apartment in Vilnius is approximately 500 to 800 euros per month. A room in a shared apartment costs about 200 to 250 euros per month. Important dates to consider. The bachelor studies starts on the 1st of September every year, and the admissions for bachelor studies are already open on our Dream Apply system. You can access this by logging into apply.vu.lt. Application deadlines for non-EU and EFTA applicants are June 1st of 2023. Required documents for admission. Applicants of bachelor's degree programs must have their certificate of completion of secondary education, English proficiency equal to IELTS 5.5 plus, IBT, TOEFL 65 plus levels, proven by an official certificate or during motivation interview. If your first language is English or if your previous educational degree was in English, you will be exempt from providing English language test scores. To get more information, you can log on to www.evaf.vu.lt/en/admissions. If you have any questions or if you need any further information, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our email address is study@evaf.vu.lt.